Adding in my warm oils. I added some annatto infused oil and paprika infused oil to help anchor the carrot. Carrot color gives a nice pale orange, but it fades quickly during the curing process. So that's how I anchor it. I added in some kaolin clay that also helps to retain the color and also the scent of the soap. Plus, kaolin clay is very good for skin. I steamed the carrots first, and then I am adding a little bit of the oil to help pulverize the carrots. I do not want any carrots in the soap, not even a speck. So again, it has to be like baby food. I did not boil the carrots because it retains too much water. So steaming it is dry. And so when you're dealing with it, you don't have to worry about extra moisture. Adding and blending everything in well before adding the lye. Adding in the lye water and hand stirring first. Always a good practice. I used to watch my mom make soap, and she didn't have a hand blender. She just stirred it with her hands and made her soap. So we have advanced so much. Soap making is so easy these days. Adding in my essential oils, I'm using Geranium, Clary Sage, and Marjoram. I'm pouring a section out, and I will be adding Red Moroccan clay to make the color a little bit darker. And I'm also adding in extra paprika infused oil. I made room for the oil by reducing my oil in the main batch. The red clay thickened up my swirl, so I just decided to just lay down as a line and not even bother to swirl it. And however the line came out, I was okay with it. Sometimes you just have to pivot when you're making soap. "12 hours in, it's time to cut." And here's the line, and I love it. It's a subtle line through the soap, breaks up the color a little bit. I had to cut at 12 hours because I used a lot of shea butter, and then I had extra salt this time, and of course the two clays, the Kaolin clay and the red clay, all thickened soap. So I can cut this at 24 or 18. It has to be cut before, and it worked out.